cells circulate. Red blood cells were found by Swammerdam in Amsterdam. Hooke used his microscope in 1663 to see the cells in plants. It was great for botany. Science discoveries way back in history. Science discoveries way back in history. In 1668, spontaneous generation. It was the idea that was sweeping across the nation. With an experiment by Francesco Redi, he put it into that miscalculated theory. Science discoveries way back in history. Science discoveries way back in history. Anton Leeuwenhoek in 1676 used his microscope to see the first protist. Joseph Priestley in 1771 found that plants used photosynthesis to get all their work done. In 1856, Louis Pasteur found what produces fermentation. He could hear the bubbling sound. Darwin came up with his natural selection.